Hello folks, this is Stephen J again. So I know it's been a while since I have done a video where I inserted myself in to go ahead and show off some of the latest things I'm doing. I took a bit of a break doing some personal stuff, working out at the local 7.5 skate club, belong to a bunch of other stuff around the house. And wanted to something a little different. As you see here, all this really is live stream. This isn't, obviously. But they are both, and I never owned a model steamboat before, and something I thought of doing. Well, a church group, half the year we go to a picnic area that's on the Gulf of saltwater, so I'm a little nervous about putting this in saltwater there, but that's initially why I did it. I had this particular sailboat for a little while, bought it on eBay, and I had repainted it and replaced the rudder and worked on the stern sheet here, so that way you can have a rudder that turns, so that way you can actually steer the vessel and redid the rigging. I will eventually make both of these radio control, but I wanted to focus more on this particular piece here, and I'll try to include a picture of how it originally looked. This is a Wilesco power plant. I did quite a bit of work to it. I had to, for starters, remount the flagpole. I ran it in its initial configuration at the 7.5 skate club belonged to Central Pass and Gulf Railroad on the stand like this. And there's a kid there, belonged to one of the members, and he accidentally broke the original flagpole. It's okay. It was like a wooden twig, like a toothpick basically, very thick toothpicks are replaced with brass. The rudder, which is the original rudder, but I remounted it on a new copper or brass rod rather, so that way I could steer it, because before the original till arm was decorative. This actually works. They used a roundhouse radio control for their manual controller that they use for steam locos. I bolted on with two 2.5mm set screws and used the Meccano brass collar to get the right height, and that is milled walnut. And as you see here, all this is a Wilesco setup. This is really not how it came. Originally, it was just piped tubing, 1/8 tubing going from here directly into the engine. Where the lubricator originally was on this side, I put a drain cock, and on the other side, I put a PM Research lubricator. Took a look to get it going. I put some head cord here with RTV because there's a tiny pin here leak. I didn't feel like resoldering after I got it set just right. And on this side, there's a regulator check valve. I can't get the boiler blow off the safety valve. It gets very, very close. There's like a small leak of sight glass somewhere. I don't know, but it runs well, as you'll see in the video. It's burn sterno, and when it's running, instead of having an exhaust exit this way, it was originally just a tube that's going up alongside the stack. I actually soldered a copper tube that goes inside the stack, so it builds draft while it's running, which has to fire much harder to see it on video. Anywho, hope you enjoy. I do eventually hope to put this possibly in October, and if we get a chance to do that, in the water at Sunset Beach in Tarpon Springs area. It's not too far from where I live to want to say exactly where. But anyhow, enjoy the video, and I'll hope you click like, share, and subscribe, and there'll be more content. caught in the wind.